ask out for pennies or for just a bite to eat. It's the story of a blind man who met Jesus on his way, and with the Master's touch, the man looked up as the scoffers heard him say, "Somebody touched me, somebody touched me. I was blind, but praise His name, I now can see. I was in darkness when Jesus found me, but since He touched me, I now am free." One day He touched a crippled man, and He made him walk again. And the Master saw with pleasure that he labored not in vain, like the story of that crippled man. I once was bound by sin, but since the Master came, oh praise His name, thank God I now can say, somebody touched me, somebody touched me. I was